I started having numbness on the left side of my body sometime around May. Went to the ER, went to other doctors and specialists and got an MRI and found that wasn't working, so I came into Dr. Schneider's, and after a couple of adjustments I started to feel some relief, and to this day
Where was it on your left side?
all through my left side, prevalent in my face and left arm and left leg.
And your torso, or?
And the torso as well, yeah, from head to toe, literally. And ever since I started coming in, I started to notice my feeling was coming back. I had a pain in my left leg that started to go away, and so my quality of life has definitely returned.